обычный свет успокоил нас, как ни я, ни...
Hey yo, everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be checking out a collaboration features then Ankudinova and this guy called Revon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but they're doing a collaboration together. I guess it's a a little competition that they're doing together. Okay, my people. I'm not sure of the title. I'm not sure what the title says, but you guys know the reason why you've clicked this video. However, I need your prayers for Jamaica. Jamaica has faced a Category 5 hurricane on October 28, 2025, which led to a major devastation and shook up the entire Jamaican people. Countries that faced the devastation most was Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, a part of Trelawney, St. Mary, and list goes on. You have places in Jamaica right now that never get any major damages, but those places that I've mentioned earlier did get an impact, especially for Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. These images that you guys are looking at now, that is what was taking place in Jamaica. A lot of blockade, a lot of landslide, homes have been ruined, everything is just so devastated. If you guys want to check out some more of that news about Jamaica, it's on the internet. You guys can just type in Jamaican Hurricane Melissa and it's there. Just type in Hurricane Melissa and it's there. The devastation in Jamaica is quite an unforeseen sight that you guys will never ever forget out of your memories. Okay, my people, so if you guys can pray for Jamaica, feel free to leave your prayers, thoughts in the comments. I'll be happily appreciate every prayer that came in for my country Jamaica. Please pray for Jamaica, for speedy recovery of the people and for the people to find somewhere comfortable to live, because a lot of homes were damaged, a lot of properties were damaged. So much devastation, bro. Guys, trust me. Right now, I'm not even in my home now. I'm in my car doing this video because there are also no electricity in my parish. Rather, total blackout, bro. Total blackout. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what's going on.
Дом, тихо-тихо в нем я открою дверь, никого не жду, мне теперь не верь, больше не приду. Я строил этот мост, чтобы не упасть ни тебе, ни мне, и не унесла тихая вода. Танцы на стеклах, танцы не для слабых, танцы без правил, я так не смогла бы. Танцы на стеклах я бы не исправил. Я ухожу и нет ни меня, ни нас, и обычный свет успокоил нас, как ни я, ни ты. Крик, где
Revolvers.
Диана Ankudinova.
Wow, that was excellent. I mean, like, their voices cued together bring forth such life in people. You know, perfect combination. You know, the collaboration that we never expected. It was beautifully done. Diana delivered. And, you know, Revon also delivered. Right? I never yet heard Revon before, but I think he came out to do something immaculately. Right? His voice is so good, you know. Very good voices. Very good voices. And the story is literally top notch. I can tell that the story is very good. You know, looking at what the languages of their body was, the story was very touching. You know, love is a very beautiful thing when you fall in love. You know, it's a very excellent thing when you do have each other's back, bro. There's always something that, you know, can literally propel us to feel loved, to feel appreciated. Once you have that person, once that person can make our day changed for the better, that is what, you know, two can do. Two heads are better than one. Two hands were made to clap. A peer is always doing things way quicker, more convenient. Okay, so to hear these people collaborate together with such very thriving song, uplifting song, touching music, I can tell that this music is coming from a heart. I can feel the realness that is erupting from these two artists. What they displayed here was golden. Very good. Very good to both artists. Diana and also Reverend. They have done well. They have done extremely well, and the music was also very, very good music. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. If you guys want to have any form of donation, the GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. So feel free to leave your donation towards there. You know, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. You know, remember to pray for us. Okay, we need the prayers. So without the prayers, there is no, you know, we have hope, because we have to have hope and trust in something more higher than us to give us the way, the truth, and the light, you know, and the right pathway that we should travel. Okay, so my people, respect, stay safe, stay blessed, and stick around. I'll be back.